Hey guys, welcome to our second video. I just wanted to go through and go over a few things that happened yesterday. The first steps lady came by yesterday. She's the one that's supposed to help us with her development, make sure she's on track and stuff like that. So she came over yesterday and I went through basically this long checklist, make sure that she was doing stuff she's supposed to and get an idea of what she's starting to do that she hasn't mastered yet. But overall, the lady said everything was going good. She's not really seeing anything that she needs to be concerned about. She's going to be coming twice a month, so in another 2 weeks she'll be coming down. Basically, we just go over that checklist each week, checking off the things that we know she can do. She said whenever she is about 6 months, they will go through and do an actual evaluation on her. It's kind of like an IQ for babies. The tests are every 6 months, so at 6 months and 1 year, they'll go through and do that evaluation. The past couple of days, Leviana's been very fussy, just, crying for no reason, just getting really upset. So it's been kind of a rough couple of days, but we'll get through it. Not a big deal. She hasn't been too bad this morning. Last night she was pretty bad. It was a rough night. Other than that, nothing really has changed. Like I said, the past couple days she's been fussy, but it's just something we're at to work through, and it's still definitely worth it. Definitely wouldn't change it for the world. So. I'm sitting at 300 pain.
Oh, bless you. Hi. Hi, Oliviana.
Regarding our new Facebook page, I will go through and get it all set up today. It is going to be more of a family-oriented page, along the lines of our daily lives, stuff like that. Oliviana will still have her page, so just random posts of her, little small updates of her, stuff like that will go on that page. But the other page will be more our lives and what we're doing, and just watching us progress as Oliviana does too. So I'll go through and get all that set up today and get a link for you guys. In the next couple weeks, we're going to get a video started. It's going to be Draw Our Lives. Basically, it's a summary of our entire life, separate and then whenever we met, and then since we've met, stuff like that. Just so we can go through and catch everybody up on how our lives actually have been, growing up, stuff like that. But that'll be coming in the next couple weeks. There is a lot of work put into that one. So we'll try to get up the next couple weeks or so. But yeah, this is our life. Going through and burping babies, feeding babies. This is our life. But that's really all we had today. I'm just going through what happened with first steps and all that. So we'll go through and get that Facebook page up, and I'll get a link for you guys. And I will see you guys later. Bye.